I've heard about this is so dirty. So I heard about this ramen place in Taipei, and I was like, what? I thought I'm gonna eat just only the beef noodle soup, but you know what? If Taipei will offer a good bowl of ramen, I will eat it because you know me. I'm a noodle person. I'm a ramen girl. So yeah, I've got to try it. I'm super excited.
Okay, I came to this ramen place finally, and I have no idea how to pronounce their name, but it was a recommendation, and they are really known for super spicy, like Chinese Sichuan style spicy ramen noodles. You know, Japan, they make all kinds of ramen noodles, and they make actually Chinese dish, which is pandan-mian, the Chinese dish, into their style of ramen. So why not try Chinese taking on the Japanese style of ramen? So I'm super excited. So I ordered the spiciest, Sichuan style spiciest ramen noodles. Additional egg. Egg doesn't come in with it. So I'm just waiting right now. Okay, so I asked not to film the kitchen, but I really wish I could. But you guys just have to come here to see it. It's like Chinese cuisine meets Japanese cuisine. It's amazing. Like fiery wok stir frying is going on. They are cooking the broth and noodles over here. It's gonna be really amazing. I'm super excited. This is my ticket. Couldn't figure out how to use the machine, so actually the person in the kitchen came out to help me out a little bit. I pushed the wrong button. I couldn't find where's the egg at and all this stuff. Oh my god. Oh. Smells spicy. I'll be sitting here like what? Like 3 minutes, and my nose is spicy. Like a little sore from the spicy smell. Okay, I'm a little scared, and I might regretting that I ordered the most spicy. I'm saying, oh. Because, oh my god, I cannot believe. Hopefully that's not mine. Oh, that looks good too. They have a chicken man. The dipping ramen noodles, the spicy version though. I think that's mine. I think, yay! 谢谢. Do you see this? Guys, this is no joke. Look at this. Amazing. Wow. Looks amazing. There's some baby corn, super thick cut of pork belly. Their style of char siu. There's some bean sprouts, some chopped onion, green onions, some secret powder and stuff. The kim nori dried seaweed here. The egg I ordered, and black flavored oil on top. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Where to start it? Oh, the chopstick is on the table. 잘 먹겠습니다. I'm actually wanna taste the broth first, how spicy it is, because I'm a little scared. Not that bad. Not that spicy. Okay. It's not super spicy. It's good. It's good. Sichuan peppercorn is on again. It's hitting me again. Wow, their noodles are actually quite thick. Like almost udon noodles. Oh, and look at that.
Look at the pork belly. It's almost like a tongpayuk. The Chinese braised the pork belly, the thick one. Oh wow. Let me taste the noodles first. And I will go to the pork belly and the eggs. The noodles are very chewy and bouncy. Nice and thick noodles actually works great with this Sichuan style spicy pork bone broth. Works amazing together. Pork belly, super duper tender. You can just whip it up with chopsticks. That's how tender they are. My mouth, it feels like I just had a mint or something that's like the Sichuan peppercorn doing to your mouth. Wow. I wish I ordered double the chashu because I can have a meal just only the pork belly. Wow, their chashu is. I think the broth itself, they actually could work a little more. But the chashu, they got it. They actually have a little charred baby corn on as a garnish. But let's get into the egg. I can tell this is nicely stuffed boiled ramen egg. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, please. The yolk is like oozing out. They're like, please eat me. The egg is actually very classic. The music is scaring me. The thicker noodles is harder to slurp. So I'm having a little trouble slurping. Oh, they have like a little small bits of pork too in here. The baby corn. Actually, it's a great break in between the noodles and the meat and the egg. Great break. If you're craving ramen noodles in Taiwan, this is definitely a place to come with wearing black on black noodle shirts. Because other colors, you might ruin the t-shirts, okay? Because the soup is super red. Ah, it's delicious. They are very generous about the pork because 2 large chunks of pork belly like this too, like little small bits of the pork too, very generous. Oh, I'm gonna have one more, the pork belly moment. Oh my god, I will come here for the pork belly. Oh, my last bit of egg. If you want me to recreate this recipe at home so you guys can try it without traveling all the way to Taiwan, please let me know because I just love creative dishes like this. I never thought putting Sichuan peppercorn into ramen noodles. Make sure you add eggs because egg is not coming with it. And make sure you get double of the pork belly because if you don't, you're gonna regret like I did. That was a delicious bowl of ramen. And if you want to actually right next to the shop, right here, same owner, they're making different style of ramen every week or every day. I don't remember every day or every week, I don't remember. But anyways, they have the special menu and this one was more lined up one. I just want you to try the real spicy one. That's why I went the original one. But if you have a little extra time, go ahead and check it out. The next one as well. It looks really good.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any bit of it. And because after this vlog Life in Taiwan series, I'm about to drop a bunch of authentic, delicious Taiwanese recipes too. So yeah, I love you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.